Now let's try to see the textbook concept for 5-step model in revenue recognition. So textbook simply says that revenue can be recognized when the entity follows the 5 step. The first step includes they need to identify the contract with the customer. Now there should be valid contract and the contract should be enforceable. On the second step, the textbook says that there should be separate performance obligations. If there are, we need to identify, because in a contract there may be more than one performance obligation, just like in food business or airlines, you are booking tickets, getting the meals as well. So the performance obligations, if separate, needs to be identified. Third, the transaction price needs to be identified, which is like what is the total charges for any particular services the company is charging. Fourth is like if more than one services are being provided, then the transaction price needs to be allocated among those services. And finally, last, the revenue needs to be recognized in the books of accounts based upon if the services are given immediately or the services are over a period of time. So these are the 5 steps within the textbook which needs to be satisfied before recognizing the revenue.